Hello everyone, this is just a quick video to help you if you're struggling with a black screen of death, as they call it, on a Quest3 headset. I've just spent about 4 hours fixing mine. I've had it in pieces, I've had the front off and everything. I've just cleaned components with little Q-tips. Turns out, you see the proximity sensor. God, this camera's shit. All I needed to do was wipe that with a Q-tip and it started working again. I don't know if you can see, but there was nothing. I tried factory resetting it and updating it on the computer there and nothing was working. Watching countless and countless amounts of YouTube videos, I couldn't find a fix. So if anyone else is having a problem with it, just try giving that sensor a good clean. And maybe worth taking that off and all and giving in a clean. That's what I did, but I think it was that the whole time. I think some sweat got in, messed up with the sensor. Worth a shot. Hope it helps.